Today we will be talking about Earth's biomes. The Earth is covered with major biomes, which are regions of the world with similar weather or climate and various wildlife and plants. First is the aquatic biome, which is the largest biome, covering roughly 70% of the Earth. It's split into five main oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern, and also includes things like lakes and rivers. It influences our terrestrial climate, providing rain and wind, and temperature ranges from below freezing in deep waters and warm in tropical waters. Next, we have the grasslands. These have some of the richest soils and largest plant diversity on Earth. Summers are long and hot, and winters are short and freezing, and most of the rainfall that occurs is in the wintertime during snowfall. Then we have the deserts, which is surprisingly the most vital biome, covering a fifth of the Earth's surface. Even though most are not, but there are some cold deserts, which is like Antarctica, which is the biggest desert on Earth. Mostly hot and dry with little rainfall, and most times evaporation rate is faster than the rainfall rate, which means that the rain evaporates before it even hits the ground. Next, we have the chaparrals, which are small sections of most continents. Almost like a desert, it's very hot and dry. Most rain comes during the winter. Fires and droughts are very common due to the dryness of the ecosystem, but abundance of grassland wildlife is still present. Next, we have the taigas, which are basically our forests. Much of this biome was once covered in glaciers, and as they melted and receded, cuts and depressions were left in this landscape. Filling with rain over time, this created the various lakes present. Long, cold winters and short, mild, wet summers. And lastly, we have the tundra, which is the coldest biome, covering about one fifth of the Earth's surface. It's located in the Arctic Circle and is very cold and really dry, and life is very low.